So it's our VE Commodore 2008, I guess. So we just have removed this glove box. So there is one screw here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2 down here, 7, 8. So I have to remove these screws to take this off, just to get access this connector here. That's our radio connector. So by removing this, so that's the radio connector here. Have to take it off to remove our stereo. So after removing from left side, now in right side, driver side, you have to remove a top plate on here. After removing this panel is it's gonna just pop out. Just have to apply some force carefully. Once you complete this, you have to take out this main connector for the your radio, factory radio. So it was plugged in there. So yeah, just press it down, and so this lever lock, just by pressing it down, you can open this and can take it off easily. After, have to apply some force to remove the front cover of your radio. There is 4 screws here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Have to remove this, and now we're gonna remove this main easily. Here we go.